We started the seminar 2 years ago, and we were hoping to harness the energy of faculty, particularly faculty who want to bring about changes at Oregon State University with regards to the systemic issues that are here. And we want to have faculty really who are desirous to create a culture of anti-blackness and to challenge the whole issue of systemic whiteness at OSU and in the United States in general. And so we're trying to really get this group of people to be change agents within their own sphere of influence. We want them to make small changes in their own units, departments, colleges, and so forth. And we want them to ultimately be those individuals who take the training and then go back to their units and ultimately start small projects, something in the nature of trying to get their colleagues to try to confront the way in which systemic whiteness is really embedded into the very nature of the way in which the university actually operates. These trainings or interventions that we're doing on this campus cannot be just one-off situations where a faculty member comes or checks off a box and says, I've done that advanced training or I've done this social justice training and that's it for me. I've been inoculated and I know how to work forward. This has to be an ongoing career encompassing trainings that take place, that we all need to realize that we've spent many decades of our lives learning how to be racist, sexist, homophobic, classist. By starting to unpack that for ourselves in our own sphere, then that really helps us to essentially become better people. Better people for our colleagues, better people for our students, better people for the university itself. All of us, including myself, are constantly in need of training and or examining our own selves and our own biases and so forth. We have different training opportunities that take place all the time, both here at OSU and out in the community. I would recommend that faculty and staff get involved in that type of outreach and engagement, because that ultimately makes you a better person and a person who's genuinely doing what you say you want to do. So we have a lot of people who say they want to make changes. Well, the way to make changes is really to be somebody who is getting out of their comfort zone.